Hi, this cat is called testing123. Your team is writing a fancy new text editor and you have been tasked with implementing the line numbering. And here comes our task. Write a function which takes a list of strings and return each line prepended by the correct number, like you see here. Let's get to it. Let's start iterating through the string here to get an ID for line in lines and print the line. Yeah, and how can we prepend a number? Well, first of all, we can create a counter variable. And what we can do is to add a 1 each iteration. Like here, let's print the counter into the line. That looks like something we can use. And what happens when we put this in an string with a colon in between? Like this. That looks as something that we can use. As you can see, we have to put the values in a list. So let's create a new list here, result, which is empty. And basically append the strings to this new list. Let's return it here. Okay, looks exactly what we need. Let's test it out. Does it return a Boolean value of true? Yeah. Then we can test it out. Ta-da! Works like a charm. Hope this has been useful. If so, please consider dropping a like and hope to see you in another video. Ciao!